Hi, my name is Karunakaran. I'm with the Intel RealSense group. I'm going to talk to you about the new camera that Intel announced a couple of weeks back. It's the Intel RealSense T265 tracking camera. It's used for providing visual SLAM information where this camera can actually map its surroundings and orient itself within that map. The camera has a dual fisheye lens. It has a gyro and an accelerometer built into it, and compute. So the compute is a Myriad 2 chip from Intel that runs all the algorithms inside this camera itself. This camera is used for robotics or AR, VR applications, or any kind of tracking capability that requires visual SLAM. For more information, please go to realsense.intel.com, and you can also purchase this camera at click.intel.com. Thank you.